In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Sam's Club membership online in 2026, step by step. To get started, head over to the official Sam's Club website. If you want to review your membership details before canceling, go ahead and sign into your account first. This can help you confirm the membership status, renewal settings, and any account information you may need during the cancellation process. Before you move forward, it's a good idea to gather your membership information. Have your membership number and other account details ready, because Sam's Club may ask you to verify your identity before they process any cancellation request. Preparing this in advance can make the process much smoother and save you time. Next, choose the cancellation method that works best for you. Depending on what's available for your account, you may be able to use online chat, which is often the closest option to canceling online. If chat isn't available, you can also call Sam's Club member services and request cancellation that way. Another option is visiting the member services desk at a Sam's Club location if you prefer to handle it in person. Once you're connected with a representative, you'll need to verify your identity by providing the requested account information. After that, clearly let them know that you want to cancel your membership and then follow any instructions they provide. Be sure to listen carefully, especially if they explain when the cancellation will take effect or whether there are any remaining benefits tied to your current membership period. If you think you may qualify for a refund of your membership fee, ask about the 100% satisfaction membership guarantee. Refund eligibility can depend on Sam's Club's membership policy, so it's worth checking while you're already speaking with support. After the request is completed, confirm that the membership has been canceled and ask for proof of the cancellation. A confirmation email or reference number is especially useful in case you need to follow up later. Also, check whether auto renew is turned on. If you don't necessarily want to cancel immediately, but you do want to avoid future charges, turning off auto renew may be the right option. And if your membership renews through a Sam's Club credit account, you may need to contact the card issuer as well to stop automatic billing completely. Finally, check your account or email to make sure the cancellation has been processed successfully. Keep your confirmation for your records so you have it available if any billing or